Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Shiny. I'm Swara Gupta. In today's video, I'm going to share with you all how to do crimps without heat. It's a very easy process. No electronic products used, no heat serum used. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification for further notifications. Now let's jump into the video. You have to do a partition of your hair. Now take a little bit of your hair and wet it and make a braid. The remaining hair has to be braided in the same manner. Now you have to leave it for overnight. Okay, I'm going to open it. Now you can see the result. It's beautiful. So guys, आपको कैसी लगी मेरी ये वीडियो? Please do let me know in the comment section and also do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye. See you in my upcoming videos.